I got it.
When you see that tent, you're going to want to move in.
Oh my gosh.
I spent a week fixing it up. There's one. I got one in there.
Oh my God! Oh my God! I waited for this one. Oh.
It flew across the world.
Oh.
Hi, Grandpa. How are you doing?
I'm doing good now.
Oh my God!
He did it. We didn't know.
Do it.
No one knows.
Here comes Byron in the house yesterday. She almost went off her feet.
You see where the faces come from, Cam? Now? Here you go.
Now we can go to the party.
You don't have to sleep in the tent.
Started.
Oh, boy.